It's Hafa Adai, guys. My name is Gumi and I'm from the beautiful island of Guam. Today we're going to Ague Cove. Is it Ague or Ague?
We'll find out in your comments.
Okay.
I thought the turn was back there.
Oh, when were you gonna say that?
Where that guy went and raised?
Where? He was back there?
I don't know.
I thought it was like right after that traffic
I thought
light.
it was right after the traffic light too. Like how you're like, I thought it was back there. I mean, I'm just gonna sit
10
quietly.
minutes later.
We're such professionals.
We just walk into the jungle.
Service. Who else is doing a service?
Like carts, or you order from the menu?
You order from the menu and the waitress treats you like shit. That's all I remember is that we treat you like no matter what. Like, and then my boyfriend Jerry was like, "Oh, you know what? When you become a regular, it doesn't get any better. She still treats you like shit."
But the food is just so damn good that you keep going back. Ew, there's Taki right here. Yeah, there's flies all over it. Ew. So awesome that there's noni trees everywhere. There's the red flag. We got this. Damn it! Wow, it's so calm today. Hey, we made it, guys.
Wow.
Mr. Crab.
Is it coming over
Is that a is that a snail shell?
I think so.
Yeah.
Better than a bottle top.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
I'm not naked.
Connie's.
Rude. Yeah. I think I took long too. Yay!
I want a snack too.
Do it for the snacks! We hike to eat.
No, dude, this is a killer walk up, man. Dark.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, what the?
Who brought the plain Fritos? You're not invited again.
Yeah, that's me.
I love plain Fritos.
Ooh, you know what's good with that? Like, do you ever sort of like a taco in a bag? Yeah.
Break time. We got this. Kind of almost there. It is.